The aviation industry is no stranger to innovation, yet even the most promising technologies can encounter unforeseen turbulence, such is the case with Pratt & Whitney's geared turbofan engines. Hailed as a game-changer for their fuel efficiency and noise reduction, the GTF engines have been plagued by issues, leaving airlines and passengers grounded. The situation raises critical questions about manufacturing quality control, supply chain vulnerabilities, and the long-term implications for Pratt & Whitney's position in the global aviation market. This is not merely a story of technical glitches. It's a stark reminder of the intricate complexities involved in modern aircraft engine development and the ripple effects that manufacturing defects can have on the entire aviation ecosystem. The GTF engine's journey, from its ambitious beginnings to its current challenges, provides valuable lessons for the future of aviation technology. At the heart of the GTF engine lies a revolutionary concept, a gearbox that separates the fan from the rest of the engine. This elegant solution allows each component to operate at its optimal speed, unlocking unprecedented levels of efficiency and noise reduction. For airlines, this translated into the promise of significant fuel savings and quieter operations. The GTF engine was poised to redefine the single-aisle aircraft market, catering to the ever-growing demand for fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly air travel. Its innovative design garnered significant attention and secured major orders from airlines worldwide. The future seemed bright, with the GTF engine positioned as a key driver in shaping a more sustainable and quieter aviation future. The year 2023 marked a turning point for the GTF engine. A seemingly minor manufacturing defect discovered within the high-pressure turbine sent shockwaves through the aviation industry. The issue stemmed from contamination in the powdered metal used to manufacture turbine discs, leading to cracks and potential engine failure. Investigations traced the root cause to broken ceramic tooling used in the manufacturing process, affecting engines produced between October 2015 and September 2021. The initial estimate of affected engines, around 200, proved to be a gross underestimation. The number quickly ballooned to nearly 3,000, revealing a systemic problem within the manufacturing process. The discovery cast a shadow of doubt over Pratt & Whitney's quality control measures and raised concerns about the long-term reliability of the GTF engine. The implications were far-reaching, impacting airlines, passengers, and the aviation industry as a whole. Section 4. Picking up the pieces, Pratt & Whitney's response. Faced with mounting pressure and a rapidly deteriorating situation, Pratt & Whitney launched a multi-pronged response. The immediate priority was to identify all affected engines and initiate prompt inspections and repairs. However, the scale of the problem, coupled with supply chain constraints, led to significant delays and backlogs. The company also announced the GTF Advantage program, aimed at introducing improved engines by 2024, incorporating design enhancements to address the existing issues. Recognizing the financial burden placed on airlines due to grounded aircraft and disrupted operations, Pratt & Whitney set aside $3 billion for customer compensation. However, the final cost of the crisis, including repairs, lost revenue, and potential litigation, is projected to be substantially higher. The situation has put a significant strain on Pratt & Whitney's financial resources and reputation, raising questions about the company's ability to navigate the crisis effectively. Section 5. The domino effect, airlines grapple with groundings. The impact of the GTF engine crisis reverberated throughout the aviation industry, with airlines bearing the brunt of the fallout. Groundings of Airbus A320neo aircraft, equipped with the affected engines, became a common occurrence, disrupting flight schedules and causing widespread passenger inconvenience. Indigo, India's largest airline, was forced to ground approximately 35 aircraft during the first quarter of 2023 to 2024, highlighting the severity of the situation. Globally, an estimated 350 A320neo family aircraft are expected to be grounded annually until 2026, resulting in substantial financial losses for airlines. Spirit Airlines, GoFirst, Wizz Air, Volaris, Hawaiian Airlines, and Lufthansa are among the many carriers that have experienced operational challenges and revenue shortfalls. Analysts predict that the affected A320neo fleet could lose as many as 460,000 aircraft days, surpassing the impact of the Boeing 737 MAX grounding. The situation has exposed the vulnerability of airlines to engine supply chain disruptions and highlighted the urgent need for greater resilience within the aviation ecosystem. Section 6. Echoes of the 737 MAX Parallels and Distinctions. The GTF engine crisis has drawn inevitable comparisons to the Boeing 737 MAX disasters. Both situations involved flawed designs, manufacturing defects, and regulatory oversight failures, leading to grounded aircraft, financial losses, and a loss of public trust in the aviation industry. However, there are also key distinctions between the two cases. The 737 MAX crisis involved a fundamental design flaw in the aircraft's flight control system, which contributed to 2 fatal crashes. In contrast, the GTF engine issues stem from a manufacturing defect, not an inherent design flaw. While both situations have had a profound impact on the aviation industry, the GTF engine crisis has not resulted in any accidents or loss of life. Nonetheless, the crisis underscores the importance of rigorous quality control measures, robust supply chain management, and proactive communication with stakeholders throughout the aviation industry. Section 7. Charting a course forward: Pratt & Whitney's future. The GTF engine crisis represents a pivotal moment for Pratt & Whitney. The company's ability to navigate this challenging period will determine its long-term success and its position in the global aviation market. The immediate focus remains on accelerating engine inspections and repairs, addressing supply chain bottlenecks, and providing timely support to affected airlines. Looking ahead, the GTF Advantage program, with its enhanced engine design and improved manufacturing processes, holds the key to restoring confidence in Pratt & Whitney's products. The company must also prioritize transparency, accountability, and collaboration with airlines, regulators, and suppliers to regain trust and ensure the long-term viability of the GTF engine. The aviation industry will be closely watching Pratt & Whitney's every move as it charts a course forward, hoping that the company can overcome its current challenges and deliver on the initial promise of the GTF engine.